Hello guys and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to lock Facebook profile. To start this tutorial, open and locate your Facebook application in your mobile device. Once you're already here, click on your menu, the one with the three horizontal lines. Once you are already here, click on the gear icon, which is settings on the upper right. All you have to do is tap on it. But for now, let's wait for it to finish fully loading. Once we tap on it, we will now be redirected to Settings. Now let's wait for Settings to fully load. Over here in the search bar, we are going to search for Profile Locking. Make sure you input the correct spelling as well, so it would be a lot easier for the engine to search it. Once you're here, you will now see the first option that says Profile Locking. All you have to do is tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will now see an option that says Lock Your Profile. Just click on the button that says Lock Your Profile. Just tap on it for it to be easier. And that should be it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.